Welcome to Chef Don Kitchen. My name is Vinod Naik. Today we are making Goan fish curry. Fantastic. Sardine fish curry. Lots of proteins, lots of vitamins. So the ingredients are here, whatever we need. So I got half kilo of sardine fish. This is called Kashmiri chili, grated coconut. This is dry mango, black pepper, coriander seed, turmeric powder, and this is Szechuan pepper. So the fish, we need to wash 5 to 6 times. The smell of the fish need to go away, otherwise you won't be enjoying your fish. And after this, the first thing we have to do, we need to soak these dry mangoes at least for 10 minutes. So that will make soft when we grind. So let's grind our masalas now. Put chilies in there, coconut, turmeric powder, black peppercorn, coriander seed, some water, and we're gonna blend this. Few minutes later, we're gonna add this mango, dried mango, and make a puree. So this is the consistency we need. Make sure don't add enough water. That's the way I cut my fish. If you prefer to cut your fish, that will be much better. That will give you more flavor and the looks will be nice as well. It's up to you how you want to do it. So let's crush the peppercorn now. That's how I'm going to crush my peppercorn. So like that, I'm going to get extra flavor in my curry. That's all we need to do. So as soon as the pot is hot, all you have to do, add the masala sauce in there, bring it to boil. Add some water if you like to. Too much thickness won't make your curry great. So you need a little bit water as well. So this is what we need. Check out the consistency. The sauce is boiling now, so it's time to add Szechuan peppers now. So a few minutes later, we're gonna add fish. So let's add fish now, slowly. So it's take about 8 minutes to cook. It doesn't take too long to cook fish. So 8 minutes only, gentlemen, ladies. Add some salt according to your taste and try to move your pot like that, left to right with your cloth. If you put a spoon and try to turn around, it's gonna break. Our curry is ready now. Look at that. That's amazing. The entire house smells so beautiful, I tell you, just amazing. It tastes marvelous. Try this recipe. It's one of the best recipes in Goa. You're gonna love it. Lots of proteins, lots of vitamin in there. You all know how sardine fish is healthy. If you like the video, please share with your friends and family and do subscribe if you like the video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.